Hello children, welcome to Math Teaching Studio. Class 8 ICSE Mathematics Factorization and exercise 17.1. Second bit, sixth question. So grouping terms. This is the method of grouping terms. 48x to the power of 4 y z, 16y cube z x square. So x square we can take as common here. Next 16 table we can take common here. 16 ones are 16 threes are. Here 40 table we can take as common. 40 ones are 40 threes are. Okay. So we are grouping these two terms. And now from these I can take 16 as common and x square as common. Next 1y is there. Here y cube is there. So 1y I can take as common. In both the terms z is there. Z also I'm taking as common. Okay, so what term is left in this? X to the power 4 minus 2. So x square will be left 3x square. 16 3s are no 3x square. Yz we have taken as common. And 16 ones are 16. So 1y we have taken common. So y square will be left. X square already we have taken common. Plus symbol as it is. Here again we can take 40 first as common. Okay, 43 is a 40 and we have to take literal factor also, no? X, Y, Z and here only Y, Z. So 1 Y, Z also we have to take as common. So 3x square will be left. Y, Z taken as common minus as it is 41s are. So 1 into 1y is taken out. So minus 1 means y square will be left. Z has taken out. Okay, so from these two terms again, this term is common. 3x square minus y square. What is left here? 16x square yz. Here plus, here 40 yz is left. Okay, this is the required answer. Seventh and eighth homework children. Ninth question we will solve now. Here again first two terms, last two terms will make groups. 9 twos are multiples of 9, 21 multiples. So making group of these first two and last two. So 9 first I will take as common. Y cube, y square. So y square I will take as common. X square, x cube. So x square I will take as common. Okay. Next, what is left here? Y square means minus 2. 3 minus 2. Only y will be left. Y to the power 1 will be left. Okay. Plus 9 2s are 18. And x cube, x square minus 2. Means only x will be left. Okay. So, plus from this also I will take 21 as common. X square, y square, x cube, y. So, only 1 y x square I can take common and only 1 y I can take as common. So here x square is taken common, 21x square, and y 2 minus 1. So this power is 1, no? I subtracted from that power. So only 1y will be left inside the bracket plus, okay, y plus 42. 21 2s are 42. X cube 3 minus 2. Only x will be left. 1y has taken out. Okay. Now from these two terms, from total expression, these two terms are common. Y plus 2x as common. And the remaining terms 9y square x square plus 21x square y. Okay. This is the required answer. Okay. Next question. 10th question children here. 50, 30, 40, 24. Okay. So here now I can take 6 table. No, 50 will not be divisible by 6. So we can make group. we have to arrange in another form. 5 5 5 tens are 5. So first two terms and these two terms we have to, if we make them group, we will not get common factor like this. So we will arrange them in another way. 50y cube x minus 40y square x plus 30y cube minus 24y square. Okay. Next, now from these two terms I can take 5 as common and y square as common and x as common. So 5 tens are 5 eights are 5 10 into y. So square has taken out, so 3 minus 2, 1y will be left. Okay, 1y will be left inside the bracket. Minus as it is 5 eights are 40, y square x common. Plus from these two terms I can take 3 as common, 3 and y square. So here 10 and power, this is 3, 3 minus 2 because y square has taken out. So 2 I am subtracting from the y cube. So we will get y to the power 1. Okay, minus as it is, and 3 eights are y square taken out. From these two terms 10y minus 8 is common. Next 5y square x will be left, plus will be left, 3y square will be left. This is required answer. Okay, remaining sums. So 14th question, after 10th I am teaching now. In between sums you try to solve them. Okay, so 2x square y square plus 4x square plus 3y square x minus 4y square plus 6x 8. So 2 4 3, and we can write in order. So here 2x square y square, 4x square, 3y square x. Yes, now these three terms 1 2 3, and these three terms 1 2 3. Let us go with these three. So 2 x is common from each term, y square we cannot take common. Instead of taking directly we can arrange in order. Okay, then we can make grouping. Yes, I have written in according to my convenience. You can also do it. See, if I take directly common from these three terms and from these three terms, we will not get a common term like this. So I just arranged in order: 2x square y square, 2 3 4, 4 6 8. That means if I take 2 from here common, yeah, here we cannot take 3 is there. Here we can take 2 as common. So here you'll get 2 3 4. So 2 3 4. Okay, now I will start taking common from these three terms as y square only. So what is left? 2x square plus 3x minus 4, plus from these three terms 2 I'm just going to take as common, 2x square plus 3x minus 4. Now I got these two terms as common. If we won't get any two terms as common, the our step will be wrong. Okay, so accordingly you have to arrange them in order. Okay, now I am going to take again these two terms. From these two terms, this term as common, 2x square plus 3x minus 4 of what is left here, y square plus 2. Okay, this is the required answer. So with this second bit completed, now we will start the third bit. Yeah, third bit, yeah, by using the difference of two squares method. Okay, first one is x square minus 16. Okay, this can be written as x square minus 4 square, like a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. In that form only I am just going to convert. So this becomes x plus 4, x minus 4. Okay, this is the first solution. Okay, second question. What is the second question? 9 minus 4y square. 9 minus 4y square. Same, 3 square 2y whole square. Okay, what you will get? 3 minus 2y, 3 plus 2y. Okay, third question, fourth question. Yeah, fourth I will explain. 49x to the power 4, 121y square. So 49 7 x square whole square minus 11y whole square. Yes, so 7x minus 11y, 7x square, 7x square plus 11y. That's all. 11 11s are 121, 7 7s are 49. Okay, next question number 4 completed. Question number 5 is somewhat different. 12x square y square minus 300. Okay, this is not a perfect square, and this is also not a perfect square. So I can do one thing from these two terms. If I take 3 as common, then it will be 4x square y square minus 100. Now I converted this 100, this 300 to 100 square number by taking 3 as common. Okay, so 3 closed bracket now. Now this will be 2xy whole square 10 square. Okay, this answer would be 2xy minus 10, 2xy plus 10. Okay, this is required answer. Next question, sixth question, 245. 245 x to the power 5, 80 y square x. Okay, here also he has not given us any perfect square number. Okay, we have to convert them into perfect square. Before that, x we have to take as common. This is power 1, this is power 5, which are odd numbers. Okay, so 5x I'm going to take as common. If I take 5 as common, 5 fours are 20, 5 nines are. Okay, x to the power 4 minus 5 ones are 5 6 are. Yes, this is perfect square number. Okay, 5x of 49 can be written as 7x square whole square minus 4y whole square. Okay, now 5x into 7x square minus 4y, 7x square plus 4y is the required answer. Okay, children. Next question, sixth one completed. Seventh one same you do. Eighth one also. Ninth one I will explain. Ninth is simple only. But 16x to the power of 4 is equal to, simple, 4 1 to the power also we can make as 4. Okay, so here 4x square whole square minus 1 square, 4x square minus 1, 4x square plus 1. But again this we have to convert. How? 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, and 4x square plus 1. Okay, because 4x square again we can write as 2x whole square minus 1 square. Now this is required answer. Okay, next question. 10th one also same. You can do it. 11th question. See, 10th question is 256 x to the power 4 y to the power 4. This one also you may get in 3 terms answer. Okay, 81 x to the power 4, 1 by 81 x to the power 4. How can we write this? 9x 9x square whole square 1 by 9x square whole square. This can be written as 9x square minus 1 by 9x square, 9x square plus 1 by 9x square. Okay, now this is again a square b square. So this can be written as 3x 1 by 3x, 3x plus 1 by 3x, and 9x square plus 1 by 9x square is the required answer. Okay, the last one you complete with this third bit also completed, and 17.1 exercise completed. Okay, children, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Mass Teaching Studio.